Hi, good morning children. In today's class, let us learn in maths shapes. So children, already we have completed 51 to 100 for this term. So I want you all to practice in your check notebook every day 51 to 100. How you are practicing capital and small a to z. The same way here afterwards, every day you have to practice 51 to 100 for a week. After a week, I want you all to write 1 to 100. That is in the check notebook, as I have taught you, 1 to 100. You have to write 1 days of 1 to 100, putting that into mark, leave one box and write. So please do practice every day children. If you are thorough with the numbers only, you will be able to identify when it is given in the middle. Randomly when I give, you might not be able to write if you don't practice. So please do practice. Parents, do make your children write every day. If you don't sit next to them, they will not write because they are not aware that they should take the book and write. So it is your duty to sit every day, either morning or in the evening. You can make them write 51 to 100 for a week, later 1 to 100. Now this is moving on to shapes. Now you have in the textbook shapes. So first you should know the spelling children, and you should be able to read. By means for the exam Miss will give for match. So you should know to read. So now when I am drawing it, I will write the spelling so that you can learn the spelling. So in the textbook it is there, so you can read, and later on activity is given here. This also you can do. Now Miss will write on the board. You can copy or you can just listen to it children. So the first shape Miss is going to draw is square. So you can draw freehand. This is called freehand. We are not using any scale. So now this is the shape square. Now you know to identify the square, but you don't know the spelling. If you don't know the spelling, you will not be able to match, because in the exam you have to read, then you have to search for the shape and you have to match. So this is square. S Q U A R E, square. So how will you practice? SQUARE, square. You are splitting into two. First one is SQUARE, square. So you have to memorize SQUARE, square. SQUARE, square. Like that 5 times you say, you memorize. Once you memorize, you write and see whether you are able to write. Now this is going to the next shape. This is rectangle. Why Miss has drawn after the square rectangle? You should know the difference. In the square, all the 4 sides are equal. Here, the rectangle, you see, opposite sides are equal. Okay, this is opposite side. This is opposite side. So, when I say opposite, this is opposite. This is opposite. So, in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So now you should know the spelling. R E C T, rect, angle. A N G L E, rectangle. So how will you practice? RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. So square, rectangle. This is easy for you to identify, because you will have a pencil box. The pencil box, what is the shape of a pencil box? Rectangle. Okay, so it is very easy. Next you have a circle. Okay, this is circle. So what is the spelling? CIRCLE, circle. So CIRCLE, circle. CIRCLE, circle. This is how you have to practice. Circle also is very easy to identify children. Girl child means you will be wearing a bangle, or if you see your mother's hand, your mother will be wearing a bangle. So the bangle is circle in shape. That is, we say round in shape. So round circle. And you have the coins, right? 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Your dad will be having money, so you ask him to show the coins. That is 2 rupee, 10 rupee, any coins. Okay. Then what is the shape of a coin? Round in shape. It is circle. Next you have now square, rectangle, circle. Now this is going to teach you code. This is the code. When you go to the shop, you will get a cone ice cream, right? So how will they give? First they will take the cone, they will show the ice cream down and they will open like that. It will be filled, the cone will be filled like that only. Or they will take the cone and they will put scoop. You can see both type of ice cream. One is taking scoop and putting, another one is in the machine. There will be a tap. They will show the cone will fill and they will give it to you. So both type you can see. So this is cone. See, the cone is like this. Okay. So you should be able to identify. What is the spelling? C-O-N-E. Cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Children, all the what Miss has written here, everything is there with the diagram in your textbook. Okay. See, square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Now Miss has taught you square, rectangle, circle. Cone is not there in your book, that is why Miss has drawn here. Now what Miss is going to draw? Triangle. So this also freehand you can draw, children. This is your triangle. What is the spelling? T-R-I. Already you have learned rectangle angle spelling. You know A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. So rectangle spelling, if you know, angle is same. So T-R-I only you will by heart. So T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Now after learning all these spellings, ask your mummy to write one side the spelling and one side the diagram. What are the diagrams? Square, rectangle, circle, cone, triangle. And you have to read this and you have to match it. I will send you a worksheet for matching so that you can do that matching in the worksheet. Apart from that, you have to practice daily. So you can ask your mommy or daddy to draw. Parents, please do draw and write and give every day and see whether they are able to read and match. You should not read and they should not point out the diagram and they should not match. They should read themselves and they should match. Thank you.